Oh snap, HP vibes. Alright guys, so right here they pretty much used to cruise all the time until the cops put a stop to it. It's been 10 years since I've seen activity right here, but I have noticed that people were already cruising. So hopefully there's not cops here because they didn't know that the takeovers were coming to town. And what better way to hit a spot right now in Cinco de Mayo than hitting Chuntington Park, aka HP. Let's get it. Donde está toda la raza. Oh damn, the takeovers are coming to OG spot by King Taco and HP. If you know, you know. What's cracking, everybody? It's your boy King Fresh. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and become a part of the Cave Gang movement. Let's go. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram right here, Double I and King, to stay up to date to all the latest bangers. Today we're out here at a special banger, guys. It's a Cinco de Mayo special event. First spot of the takeovers is the one and only Huntington Park HP right here by King Taco. Shee, look at this OG spot right here, guys. I'm telling you, they used to come here all the time. Like 10-15 years ago, people would shut it down. I fucking miss it. It's been 10 years since any activities have happened here in HP, and I'm excited. Hopefully they take it down. Let's get it. Shee, yes sir. You know it ain't Cinco de Mayo without the flag. That's a big ass flag. Reminds me of my eggplant right there. That's the size of it. See? It doesn't get any more Mexican than un Camaro y la bandera. It goes perfect. Oh yeah, HP's officially hit, baby. That purple laser. We already have one cop over there. This is how you start the Cinco de Mayo, baby. Let's get it. And Canelo's gonna win on Saturday. One cop already, but we're on our way to the next location. HP has been officially conquered. We're looking for the win. So I officially just crossed the border. I'm in Tijuana and I'm gonna take a shot because we're in Tijuana. Oh, it feels good to be Mexico. Arriba la raza, hijo la puta. First to the channel, peg leg. That Captain America ice cream, dang. Whoa! Crazy loud! GA gang! Oh, BMW! That G8 is so loud! that purple laser. I need that. You can feel the vibe out here right now, that people are out here celebrating something special. Baby, let's get it. That's right. I like seeing the flags everywhere, guys. Multiple flags out here. We're celebrating big time. Swingers out here right now, A1, A1. We have found the source. Oh shit! ¡Arriba la revolución! That Camaro sounds loud, but I think the G8 is louder. This is a tiny mamalona, the mini mamalona. Oh, that little leap saved his life. Pa'l fondo, quiero que se te salga de la panocha. It's a supercharged G8, let's get it. Supercharged G8 in action. That's right. looks like a fucking eggplant just swinging around. We're gonna wait the next spot, baby. Let's get it. My girl's in the back seat right there peeing.
No,
she was supposed to be right here, but this is the fun part. When she's done peeing, we're gonna toss the bag of piss, and hopefully it doesn't hit anybody I know. No mames, I got my girl's piss. Look at the freeway, boom! I got my girl's piss in this little bag right now, and I'm gonna throw this little bag right now into the pit. Pit. Hopefully nobody hits that little piss bag right there. Huh? It's a bag full of pee. My girl pee in the bag, so it has piss. Hey, it's a free for all. Yeah. Yes, sir. Casually waving the flag, I like that. This is where the Mustang crashed and the whole crowd destroyed the Mustang car. This is where it happened. Right here. Fun fact about that. Look at Speedy Gonzalez over there, la verga. Could be a swing or two. We got so many wires already. Hasta los mexicanos, ahí lo hacemos, tú sabes. Y yo voy a andar andando a todos los mexicanos. Si hay un evento del 5 de mayo, yo a la verga voy a andar acá. What's up, bro? What's up, what's up, what's up? Oh, look at what we have here, pinche marrano, vayas a la verga, 5 de mayo.
This ain't no weight room, baby, ain't no room for waiting. I can't even tell the time, baby, make it clap. Una bomba, México, Estados Unidos.
Banderas en medio, I like that, I like that. God damn, that's some good control right there. We got one, oh, we got 4 units, okay. Estos hijos de su verga se emocionaron because they made it to the pit. The only reason why they made it to the middle was because people let him in. This dude has LOL, lots of love. I'm fucking dead. I like the taillights. We got tiny little fucking tequila bottles, you already know. Se le está saliendo todo el jugo al play, mira. Yeah! All the Gatorade came out, all the fruit punch. So I seen a lot of units earlier and I was like, what the hell's going on? It happens to be that this car right here, BMW crashed, but I'm not seeing anybody here, so I'm guessing after he crashed he dipped. But we have let me see, We got 1, 2, 3, 4 units. They're trying to move the BMW. As you can see, the guys did. Sweet.